Hi guys, hello. I hope all of you are doing good. So, time for another energy update. Quick one. And firstly, a lot of gratitude to all of you. Thank you so much for liking my channel and subscribing to it and showing me all the love and all the appreciation. I made a record of it, and I totally big hug, big shout out to all of you. And yeah, last 2 days I did not post. I was keeping a little busy. So here we are today with an energy update. This is going to be again like that question that I do. What are their current thoughts and feelings towards you? So I'll just give you a quick reason why I keep checking this, because energies keep changing, not so frequently also. But the point is that I'm trying to tap onto as many messages as possible for all of you. So there's a possibility that at times the readings might not resonate, and maybe this one would. All right. So that's the reason why I keep doing this energy update pretty frequently. And I do sense that a lot of you want to know what is your partner thinking or what are their thoughts right now, all of that. Okay, so all right, so as you can see that we have three piles here. Um, this one is pile number one. This is the clear quartz crystal. Here we are. Pile two is the amethyst. Pile three is the lapis lazuli crystal. So you can pause the video, meditate over the question, think about it, like overall, think about your person, think about their energies, and then pick one pile. All right. Timestamps are there in the description. Private reading details are also there in the description. So you can reach out to me. And yeah, so I hope try to choose one pile, guys, because that way the message is a little clear. I understand that there are times when you will be attracted to more than one pile. That's also fine. So go ahead, choose, and I'll begin with clear quartz first. Okay. One moment, let me just put the cards aside. Okay, so just a quick update about me meditating over the piles. I think I noticed somebody comment that this is a recorded video, and how does it make a difference if you meditate with me? I understand that this is a recorded video, so a lot of things are to do with the intention. Okay, you meditating with me while you listen to this is forming a connect with time, and time is relative. Okay, so I hope that clears that doubt over there. So meditations really help. That's the reason how I'm able to tap on a lot of messages for all of you. And let's do it again. Okay, so pile number one, what are their current thoughts and feelings towards you? Clear quartz. Okay, give me a moment. So I could see a lot of flowers. Let's see. Clear quartz, temperance. This is the angel healing cards, and this came in today. It's a very beautiful deck, and I love it. It has some really sweet small cards and messages. So I'm using it today. Archangel Metatron. Okay. We'll see. Higher power. No wonder with the Archangel card. Two of Swords. Okay. So I haven't taken too many cards today because I wanted to keep this as simple as possible for all of you. So this card says, I am your link between heaven and earth, between your humanity and your divinity. I'm here to help you heal the conflict that exists between your heart and mind. Feel me in your heart and thoughts. Through oneness, there is love. I'll keep this here. I hope you can see it. Or wherever. Alright, so how I can just give me a moment for me to stitch this for you guys. So the first thing that I can pick up is a kind of a conflict resolution happening here in their mind. And that's what this message also says. I'm here to help you heal the conflict that exists between your heart and mind. And then I have the higher power and I have temperance. So what I feel that your person's current thoughts and feelings is that they are troubled. With the Two of Swords, I can see that they are troubled, no doubt about that. But they are being guided. Okay, they are being guided by their angels, by their whatever form of help. It's like some higher power kind of a help. And if you see, this third eye chakra is illuminated, so it's like your person is being awakened first. Second, your person is coming to a balance. How I can link these two cards? Two of Swords, and then you have Two of Cups being managed here. So, whatever the conflict was, the angels are trying to resolve it for your person. Okay? I'm seeing an eye opening event or an eye opening kind of a conversation that might lead to this energy. Okay? But pretty much I'm seeing that there is some kind of a divine involvement, some kind of a divine intervention happening here for this pile. I am your link between heaven and earth, between your humanity and your divinity. Okay, so this person, I think your person had been in a state of conflict in accepting this connection or not kind of understanding how important this is, or at times, we become like, when it is the matters of the heart, if you end up becoming very, very logical or very questioning, it just leads to more problems. Sometimes you just don't have an explanation to everything. Now, you can have a counter argument to that because some people believe that everything pretty much has an explanation. Okay? But I feel that at times when your mind and your heart is in a state of conflict and you're not being able to resolve this, then you should just let it be because you know that this is something that is out of your control. You can't do much here, so just let it be. Just go with the flow. Okay? So here also I'm seeing that similar energy that your person might have been in a very conflicted state of mind, and finally they are kind of getting some kind of a download or some sort of an energy to understand themselves. Okay? Coming out of this Two of Swords with the help of temperance and higher power. Temperance is Sag energy that I pick up, and this is card number 4. This is the Emperor energy in the tarot, but this is again kind of reminding me of Judgment for some reason. So it's like an eye, as I said, it's like an eye opener event that has happened, which is leading to all of this. And with the Two of Swords and Temperance together, it's a very clashing energy. It's like a mix of two energies. Like, one side you are very conflicted, and the other side, I'm seeing that there is some sort of a balance that is setting in. Okay. So I don't feel that your person is completely out of this, but they're in the process. Okay, they are being guided to understand this. Like, still I see some sort of a stubbornness because otherwise I wouldn't have got this card of Archangel Metatron, which is saying that I'm your link between heaven and earth, between your humanity and your divinity. I'm here to help you heal the conflict that exists between your heart and mind. So they are being probably bombarded with a lot of energies around to understand this in a more deeper level. Okay, but I think there is the try is going on. I don't think that your person has still accepted it. Okay, but they are in the process, I feel, and they're being, as I said, that they're being awakened. As I said, that I feel that this reminds me of a Judgment card. So they're being kind of guided or to just open their eyes up to certain things. That's the central energy that I pick here. Okay, open your eyes to these energies because this is special. This is here for you, and probably your person wasn't willing to accept this at all. Okay, that's why the Two of Swords is here. And that's the kind of, I'm probably falling short of words, but That is the kind of assistance that your person is getting from the divine to do this, to understand. Yeah, a very spiritual pile, by the way. I don't know. Your person might be like in a mess right now, because this is like a clash between the heart and the mind. Like, the heart trying to guide them in a certain way, and they're being a little complex about it, I feel. And that's when I see that there's some kind of, definitely there's a divine intervention here, where this could be in the form of dreams, this could be in, yeah, this could be in the form of dreams, this could be in the form of some downloads or something like that. Okay. All right, so that's what I have for pile number one. I hope this reading resonated with you, and I hope that you get a message. Private reading details are there in the description box, so you can reach out to me. And here we are, and yeah, like pretty much, I hope that you got some clarity in your situation. Take care. Bye. Okay, so pile number two is the amethyst. So, as my tradition, I would like to just meditate before beginning the pile. One second. What are their current thoughts and feelings? Okay. I see a dinner table, and like happy giggles while a dinner table. Probably your person kind of wants to maybe go out on some sort of a dinner date or whatever with you. Let's see what the cards are. Here we are. Two of Pentacles. These are the small angel healing cards which I just got today. So here is a deck. Let's see, what does this have for you? Truth. The best way through the current situation is to just speak your truth, contrary to what you may think. No one will be hurt if you express exactly how you feel. Okay. Yang energy. Alright. Page of Wands. Okay. One minute. Their current thoughts and feelings. Okay. So, firstly, what I pick up from the pile is that your person is kind of trying to hide something, okay, and resist something. Probably the connection, and hide their own feelings, I feel. They're sad about it. They're trying their best to hide it, but it is just not happening. One second. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. So, I see that they're trying to hide it. They're trying their level best to balance, like, I think they're kind of dwelling in two personalities. One side is emotional, one side is very practical, and they're trying to strike that balance where, like, pretty much, but they are not being able to do it now. That's what I see. The best way through the current situation is to just speak your truth, contrary to what you may think. No one will be hurt if you express exactly how you feel. Okay? So, the advice is to speak the truth, but I think that they're not doing it because um, because I think that they're not the sort who's very action oriented, I feel, okay? But then I do feel that they're being compelled now by the universe with the Yang card, which is like hands trying to say that, take that action, do it, speak the truth. Okay. And it's like enough. That's the energy that I'm picking up, that they've done it enough. Now look at this card, look at the image. Like, I mean, this person looks exhausted. Like, I mean, how do I do it? Somehow pretty much being able to, this person's not smiling definitely, so they're not happily doing it for sure. But yeah, if you look at this page of wands card, this person is blushing with the kind of ideas and the kind of inspiration that they get. So there is some clarity there. Like, there's some clarity about this connection that they want to do, that they want to kind of come, and which I feel is the truth. Which I feel is that they know the truth. They know what they want to say, but they're just not saying it because there is some scare there. I think probably a person might have not been a very transparent person with anybody in their life. It's a habit. That's what I pick up. It's a habit of not showing your inner self. Okay, so, and that is carried on, basically. Yeah, that has carried on. But I think now they are being compelled to come out of this Two of Pentacles energy, because two cards of inspiration and action and fire. Okay, so I'm seeing that pretty much they are getting these, how should I put it? They are getting these downloads, or they're getting these ideas about how to tackle this situation now. Because they're pretty tired about this whole Two of Pentacles energy. I picked that up. So now they want to move. They want to do that. They want to, like, it's like a call from within that they're getting, that they just want to speak up now. Okay, they want to speak up. And that is the calling from the universe that they are getting, all right, to speak. And I think when I said that a dinner table that I saw, I think I feel this is probably they want to meet you and talk to you, have a nice laugh with you, and then express the truth, whatever the truth is. I think the truth is that they are attracted towards you. Okay, and the pull, the push is very strong. The thing about coming towards you, that feeling, that emotion is very strong in them, and they're not very sure if how would you react to it, but they're being compelled to take that action for sure. Okay. All right, so that's what I have for pile number 2, Amethyst. Do let me know in the comments if this resonated. And yeah, private reading details are there in the description, so you can reach out to me over there as well. And yeah, pretty much, I hope you guys are doing well. Please take care. Bye. Okay, pile number 3, Lapi Lazuli. I hope you guys can see the cards. Okay. What are their current thoughts and feelings? Pile number 3. Let's see. 1 second. Okay, I was hearing the words white and glow, right? So I don't know for how many of you is that relevant. It's white, WHITE, and glow, GLOW. So here is Lapi Lazuli. Let's see. The Hierophant, Clarity. These are the angel healing angel cards. I got this deck today. It's a beautiful deck, very small, to the point messages. I think if you guys are tarot readers who are watching this, please go ahead and purchase this. I would say it's very beautiful. Treasure Island, the World. Okay. Pile number 3, whoever's chosen this pile, first thing, I mean, it's just a message that I'm getting. Your person wants to travel towards you and meet you. I don't know why. I'm getting that. With the World and the Treasure Island, they want to kind of end the distance that exists. Now, this could also be ending the existence between their thoughts and their actions. All right? Probably their actions have not been as much as what they feel. All right? but I do sense that there's this energy in them which has got some sort of a clarity. Close your eyes for a moment, breathe in the blue of the sky. Feel a gentle breeze flow through you. There is peace, there is clarity. A magical healing has just taken place, a gift from your guardian angel. Okay, so what I sense is that your person has got some gained some kind of clarity, and this is a very practical clarity, by the way. I think maybe it is to do with the connection, the movement, how do they want this, how do they want to plan this, something around those lines. Okay, definitely they want to travel towards you and come and meet you. Probably the steps that they're going to take is going to be a little slow, but they're getting this clarity and they are opening their self up. Okay, they're opening themselves up, uh, with the whatever whatever was boxed up is opening, basically. That's what I'm seeing. And what is coming out is stars, heart, golden, red, good colors I'm seeing. So, and which is pretty much like, I see this is coming with a sea turtle. So I see a lot lot of it falling on the sea, inside the seabed, basically going inside, going deep. So I think a lot of it is going inside them, like they themselves weren't aware of the kind of love they had or the kind of feelings they had for you. So they're becoming aware about that. All right. Along with that, I'm seeing that on this path that they're taking towards you, they're feeling very happy about it as well, even if it is slow. Okay, but definitely they want to travel and meet you. I can see that this is the end of a major, of some kind of ambiguity in their life. With the clarity and the world card, I feel it's ended. That ambiguity has ended. All right, and they have kind of understood the importance of what this is. It's a deep clarity, by the way, just a clear vision of what is required and what do they want. All right, and with the Hierophant card, I feel that they want something tangible. They want something which is here to last. All right, so, and they've done this, probably they were talking to you for a while, but now I think that they've kind of reached a point where they're sure about what they want. Okay, and they want to come towards you. They definitely want to come towards you. And this is with a very tangible offer, by the way. I feel a very tangible communication or a very tangible, um, commitment. Whatever clarity they have gained is just not like all hovering over the air. It's something that is sure confidence. I see a lot of confidence, and it's a concrete thing. It's not something that is just all over the place. No, it's a very concrete energy. Okay, and I do feel that around next year, this thing looks like, to me, this looks like that this will come into a very strong place. 2021. Yeah, 2021 looks like a very clear cut year of they kind of making this happen. And pretty much, I think they've already got that clarity about what they want. Okay, they've got that clarity. It's just that I think maybe to make these moves or have that concrete answer, they will take time till 2021 or something. All right, but they've got that clarity, I feel, by now. Okay, all right. So, pile number three, I hope you got some message and I hope that you're feeling better. If at all you were looking at answers from here. So, yeah, private reading details are there in the description, so you can reach out to me over there. And I will be back again soon with another reading. Bye.